welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. So today I'm going to be showing you what animals we have in our shop. So first we have the pigs, that, by the way, they are for sale. So as we're moving on, we have cute goats. And then moving on, we've got chickens. And then over here, there's more chickens. And then there's one little one right there. That's alone. And then all of the rest of them are in here. And then we've got some roosters right here. And then look at the goats. It's a little feed block that the goats stand on. Okay, so cute. And we do have turkeys back there. You see the turkey right there. It's blurry. Mom. And the turkeys are for sale. So far what's for sale is the pigs and the turkeys. And I forgot, but these roosters are for sale too. So yeah. And if you want to look at the black one too, because I didn't really get that. So here's the black one. That one is Mom's. And then this one is, that one, the black one doesn't have a name, but this red one is Wilbur. So, okay, my mom has one of the turkeys so you guys can see it better. This is one of the turkeys that are for sale. And then there's a white and brown one in there still. And the white one's right there. The two turkeys are right here. The other two that are for sale. And then here's the goats again. They like the camera. They like to mess around. And then this is what the goats eat. And yeah. So this is, if you have like a container or something, or you have a bucket and you have goats, just get some food, put it in the bucket, and then keep it by the cage. So then it's easy to feed them. So then you don't have to keep getting up, and then you do that. So that's my mom was bringing feed over. But this one is Wilbur. And then do they have food? And then that's what food we give them. They really like it. It's super soft. It's just crushed up corn and some vitamins. So yeah. And then here's the goat's corner. This one's very full, but the bucket's mostly empty. But that's all that I got to show you today. That's all the animals that we've got for sale. So we have roosters, the turkeys, and the pigs for sale today. But that's all that we have for sale. We might get the goats for sale sometime after we show them. So yeah. So that's all I have to show you today. And here's the goats again. There's the pigs. So that's mostly all that I have to show you. This is a cool one. I didn't show you guys that one, but this one's super cool. he has a black and pink comb. And if you don't know what a comb is, it's like a pokey thing that goes on top of chickens, like that black thing that you see. That black thing right there. He's moving too fast, I can't show you. But maybe another time I can show you. Goats, say bye. Bye-bye. Goats. Goats. Go. Hey. Hey. Dude. Dude. Look up. Look up. Guys, you won't look up. Hey. Bye-bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. Hey. Bye-bye. Well, that's all I've got for you today.